Well, for the first time since the 90s, the 69 Coupe is alive. It's rough. Well, it's alive. 350 L46 engine from 69 that I disassembled, put in a roller, aluminium heads, 1.6 rocker arms, and all this. Carbureted. Alive since the first time since 90 in California. It's been woken up from its grave. Next will be to fiddle with the carburetor and also look at the timing. The ignition is just roughly set by hand. I need to dial it in soon. That will come. But nice to hear the rumbling from the side pipes. Nice to see idling. Relatively nice compared to it's a rough carburetor at this point. Nice to see it alive. Nice to see a car that maybe on normal circumstances would be scrapped way back, but not now. It now has an engine, a transmission, and a functional driveline. I'll bet that this car would have gone to scrap for parts car if it was not sold to somebody like me 6, 7, 8 years ago. I'm pretty sure. Still, there's a huge amount of work in it. Still, I need to fiddle a bit with the before the paint, prep it for the paint. Also inside, it needs a huge amount of work, but it's no problem. I have all the parts, new seat covers, foam, and all this. All the things that I need to make it nice is there. And then at some point it has to be painted also. But a big step. That was nice. Thanks.